How to redeem Solo Leveling Arise code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem code on Solo Leveling Arise. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Promo codes will give you a head start on your solo leveling career. You can redeem them for in-game rewards, including draw tickets, gold essence, stones, and more. Codes for solo leveling Arise can be redeemed in-game by following these steps. First, select the settings icon in the lower right corner of the lobby screen. It looks like a gear. Second, tap the Account Settings tab on the left side of the screen and then tap Redeem Code. On the next screen, enter the coupon number or event code and then tap on the Use option. Your items will be automatically delivered to inventory. So, this is how you can redeem code on Solo Leveling Arise. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.